Okay, class, now let us start. In last class, I have taught you about basic knowledge of grammar, what is grammar, letter, alphabets, all those things. And today we're going to study about word. What is word? The first definition for today is word. A group of letter. A group of letter which have a sense is called word. Class 5th, look at the board. Today the topic is word, and what is the definition of word? A group of letters which have a sense is called word. We can't say, now look here, look at the example. A, B, C, D. Number 2, E, F, G, H. Number 3, D, O, G. Now, which group of word have a sense? Which group of word have a sense? Number 3rd. First one, ये भी, this one is also group of word. Yes, and this is group of word. So अगर हिंदी में आपसे कहा जाए कि शब्द क्या होता है, तो अक्षरों के मेल को हम शब्द नहीं कहते हैं. ये भी अक्षरों का ही मेल है, ये भी अक्षरों का ही मेल है. Like इसकी जगह take some other example. Take the same example. I am writing GDO, ODG. Yes, अक्षरों का ऐसा मेल जिसका कोई अर्थ निकलता हो. अक्षर means what is this? D. Letter, what is this? Letter, what is this? Letter. Look here, D plus O plus look here. Now letter R, letter E, letter O and letter S. If we combine this letter, then it doesn't give a meaningful word sense. It doesn't give a meaningful sense. So this is not word. इसको हम शब्द नहीं बोलेंगे बेटा, ठीक है. अक्षरों का ऐसा मेल, इसको अक्षरों को हम इस तरीके से मिलाएंगे जिसका अगर कोई अर्थ आता हो तो हम उसे शब्द कहेंगे, तो उसे हम शब्द कहेंगे. राइट ना. अब लुक हियर, नेक्स्ट वन, letter R, letter O, letter S and letter E. If we combine this letter, does it give a meaning, sense? Does it give a sense? Yes, rose. Then this is right. Got it? Understand? Now look here, a group of letters which have a sense is called word. A group of letters which have a sense is called word. Now it is clear now, and it's over. Not only this, look here. There are some letters in alphabets, they alone forms a meaningful word. Like letter I. Letter I. I is also a letter and also a word. A is also a word. Got it? Letter I भी शब्द है, A भी क्या है? शब्द है. ये अकेला, alone this letter gives a sense. Yes, A means one and I means मैं. So what is a word? A group of letters which have a sense is called word. Now come back to sentence. First, what we have learned in last class, what is grammar, what is letter, and letters are divided into 3 parts, that is vowel, consonant, semi-vowels. Today we have learned word, and now we are going to discuss about sentence. Every class, हर class एक दूसरे class से link है बेटा. Every chapter is linked. Now look here. What is grammar? What is letter? How many letters are there? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Letter is the smallest unit of language. smallest unit of language which help us to make a English word, And today I have taught you about what is word. A group of letter which have a letter which have a sense is called word. Now let us discuss about sentence, and this is your first chapter. ये आपका first chapter है in grammar. Sentence is the first chapter. Now let us discuss the definition. Let us discuss about the definition of sentence. What is sentence? A group of word, not letter now. A group of word which make a complete sense is called sentence. Now look here, class 5. What is sentence? Sentence means vakya. What is the meaning of vakya? Meaning of vakya. Definition of vakya. Vakya means सेंटेंस मीन्स वाक्य एंड वाक्य को परिभाषित करिए. आप परिभाषा बताइए. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जिसका पूरा अर्थ निकलता हो. शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जिसका पूरा अर्थ निकलता हो उसे हम वाक्य कहते हैं. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड विच मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस इज कॉल्ड सेंटेंस. अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड विच मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस इज कॉल्ड सेंटेंस. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल. Okay, which one is correct now? Look at the board. My name Ram is. My name is Ram. Which one is correct? First or second? Everybody, class 5th, आप उंगली दिखा के बता सकते हो. First or second? First one is correct. No, second one. Yes, second one is correct. So look here. This one is correct and this is wrong. Now look here. These are also group of word. ये भी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड है लेकिन इसमें कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं है, कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं है. सो दिस इज नॉट अ सेंटेंस. नाउ लुक हियर. दिस इज अ सेंस. इट गिव्स द फुल सेंस, complete sense. So this is a sentence. Now look at the definition again. A group of word which make a complete sense is called sentence. A group of word which make a complete sense is called sentence. Any problem? No. Okay, fine. Now let us come back to the class again. Now let us come back to the class again. Now let us see some example. Let us see some example. Is this a correct sentence? I boy am a. Is it a correct sentence? No. Now we have to make it a correct sentence. Now I am a boy. It's a correct sentence. This is wrong. Now come back again. Some example. Some more example. Look at some more example. That is I ready am. Is this correct? No, this is wrong. Now rearrange. I am ready. Yes, this is correct. This is correct. Right now? Okay, now let us, if I give you some more homework, अगर मैं homework देता हूँ तो आप rearrange कर लोगे to make a correct sentence? Yes, you can make it, na? Now let us come to the top, your book. Let us see the books of class 5. Let us see the books of class 5. Class 5, this is your grammar book. This is your grammar book. And see, we have started the chapter sentence. You can see sentence. Yes, this is your first chapter sentence. Now let us see. Now look here. A sentence always, look here everybody, look at the board. A sentence always begin with a capital letter. Notes, some notes, कुछ points याद करने के लिए, some notes. Always begins with capital letter. Begins with a capital letter. Class 5, look here. A sentence begins with a capital letter. Okay. Ends with full stop, question mark or mark of exclamation. Okay? Do you understand? सेंटेंस हमेशा बड़े अक्षर से स्टार्ट होता है और उसका अंत एंडिंग जो होता है या तो फुल स्टॉप होता है या क्वेश्चन मार्क या मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. गॉट इट ना? यस. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस अबाउट पार्ट्स ऑफ सेंटेंस. Everybody now look at the board and try to understand what I'm going to teach you. See, parts of sentence. Parts of sentence. Class 5, listen carefully, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. This is your first chapter. Sentence basic knowledge is over. I have taught you basic knowledge. Now come back to the topic, that is parts of sentence. Now I am going to write here one sentence. Ram is a good boy. It's correct. It's a correct sentence. Now this sentence is divided into how many parts? This sentence is divided into how many parts? This sentence is divided into two parts. This is one sentence or two sentences? This is one sentence. It's a sentence. It's a sentence. It's a sentence means it's a one sentence only. ये एक sentence है and this sentence is divided into two parts. The first part is Ram and the second part is this. Is a good boy. Subject and predicate. Very good. The first part, Ram is a subject and is a good boy is a predicate. A predicate. Now again, now look at about part of sentence. How many parts of part of sentence? Two. Part of sentence? Two. So now parts of sentence are of two type. Parts of sentence are of two type. That is number A, subject, and number B, predicate. Yes, class 5. एक सेंटेंस दो भागों में बटा हुआ है, ठीक है? Now, what is subject? My question is that what is subject? My question is that what is subject? Anybody can tell me the definition? What is subject? Now look at the definition. The part of a sentence which name the person or thing that we talk about is called subject. Means, look here everybody, what is sentence? The part of a sentence which name the person or thing that we talk about is called subject. अब हिंदी में ध्यान से सुन लो. Let me write here. Ram is a good boy. In this sentence, what is the name of person here? इस सेंटेंस में नेम ऑफ पर्सन क्या है? राम. और हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? राम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो राम इज अ सब्जेक्ट. मीन्स व्हाट आई हैव रिटन, वाक्य का वो भाग जो किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को दर्शाता है. वाक्य का, सेंटेंस का वो पार्ट जो किसी पर्सन या थिंग को डिनोट करता है और जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं, दैट वी टॉक अबाउट इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्ट. गॉट इट? गॉट इट ना? Look here again. The part of a sentence, the part of a sentence which name the person or thing that we talk about is called subject. वाक्य का वो भाग जो किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को दर्शाता है या जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं उसे हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. The part of a sentence which name the person or thing that we talk about is called subject. Now look here. The same example I am writing here. Example. Ram is a good boy. Now, what is subject here? Ram. Ram. Underline it and we have to write here subject. Got it? Clear? Parts of sentence are of two types, that is subject and predicate. What is subject? The part of a sentence which name the person or thing that we talk about is called subject. Now you can see the example, Ram is a good boy, and in this sentence we are discussing about Ram. We are discussing about Ram. So Ram is a subject. Now let's see what is predicate. Number B. Predicate. The remaining part of this sentence, the remaining part of the sentence which say something about the subject, is called predicate. Students, look at about children. Predicate. What is predicate? The remaining part of the sentence which says something about the subject is called predicate. Remaining part. मतलब look here example. उसी वाक्य का बचा हुआ भाग. Ram is a good boy. Now, what is this? This is subject. इससे पहले हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. अब वाक्य का बचा हुआ वो भाग जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ बताता है उसे हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. ये वाक्य इज ए गुड बॉय किसको कह रहा है? राम को कह रहा है. वेरी गुड. किसको कह रहा है? राम को. तो ये बचा हुआ वाक्य का बचा हुआ वो भाग जो ये क्या है? नो, दिस इज सब्जेक्ट. वाक्य का बचा हुआ वो भाग जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ बताता है उसे हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. वेरी गुड. The remaining part of the sentence which says something about the subject is called predicate. I hope you understand. Yes, subject क्या है? The part of the sentence, the part of a sentence which name the person or thing that we talk about is called subject. वाक्य का वो भाग जो किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु को दर्शाता है या जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं उसे हम सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं. और वाक्य का बचा हुआ वो भाग जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ बताता है उसे हम प्रेडिकेट कहते हैं. ओके, गॉट इट? Yes, I'll give you the definition to write. आपको definition मैं send करूंगा, आप लिख, you will write. Till then, now listen only. Hardly you have 30 minutes or 40 minutes class, so try to listen in the class. Try to listen. Yes. Now look at the board, everybody. Class 5th. Beta, you are moving your mobiles. Don't move your mobile phone. Keep in one place. एक place पे रख दो और सामने बैठ जाओ. You will be able to listen and you will be able to see the video clearly. And I can also watch your images and pictures properly. So don't move your mobile. Sit properly. Keep in one place. Sit properly and try to listen. Now come back again from starting. I taught you what is. Yes, now look here. I taught you what is grammar. Listen carefully. What is grammar and what is alphabets? How many alphabets are there? Letter. What is letter? And these letters are divided into how many parts? Vowel, consonant, semi-vowels. Then we have discussed word. Word के बारे में बात किया. Now we have discussed about sentence. Or one sentence have two parts, that is subject and predicate. Now let us see types of sentence or kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence. Class 5. Now look here, look carefully. Kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence are there? Now let us see. There are 5 kinds of sentence. There are 5. Yeah, sentences are of 5 types. Now look here, let us write the name. The first one is called assertive or declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. पहले का नाम है assertive और declarative sentence और इसके लास्ट में क्या आता है? Full stop. Yes. Now come back to second. The second one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. The second one is imperative sentence. Yes, class, look at the board. Kinds of sentence. वाक्य कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? Listen this one, 5 types. Kinds of sentence. Sentences are of 5 types. There are 5 kinds of sentence. How many kinds of sentence? 5 kinds of sentence. Number 1, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Number 2, imperative sentence. Number 3, interrogative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. And number 5, optative sentence. और इनको कैसे पहचानेंगे? How to recognize this sentence? इसके लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप रहेगा, इसके भी लास्ट में फुल स्टॉप है, इसके लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क, इसके लास्ट में मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन और इसके भी लास्ट में मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. नाउ हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज? हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज? Kinds of sentences. Sentences are of 5 types, 5 kinds. Or these are the names: assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. Out of this, now take an example. These are my 5 brothers. ये मेरे 5 भाई हैं. These are my 5 brothers. अगर मैंने आपको भेज दिया कि ये मेरे 5 भाई हैं, आप किसको इजीली पहचान सकते हो? इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस के, क्योंकि इसके पीछे गिलहरी का पूंछ लगा हुआ है, राइट? अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, राइट ना? यस, क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा हुआ है. अब ये तो डबल रोल हो गया, वो भी फुल स्टॉप, दिस वन इज आल्सो फुल स्टॉप. नाउ दे आर डबल रोल. हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस टू सेंटेंस? कैसे पता चलेगा कि असर्टिव है कि इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस है? नाउ लुक हियर, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस एंड ऑप्टेटिव सेंटेंस. अब यहाँ पे भी सेम साइन लग रहा है, मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन एंड मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन. नाउ हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज दिस टू सेंटेंसेस? Out of 5 sentences, you are only able to recognize only one sentences, that is the sentence which have a question mark. And if I write a sentence, अगर मैं कोई sentence यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, मैंने ये sentence लिखा है, there are 5 kinds of sentence. Now yeah, I have used your full stop. Now tell me which sentence is this? There are 5 kinds of sentences. Now which sentence is this? It's a assertive sentence. No, no. It's an imperative sentence. No, I don't know. Then which one is this? पता नहीं चल रहा है ना कि how to recognize an assertive sentence and how to recognize a imperative sentence. So now look at carefully. Sentences are of 5 types and they are assertive sentence or declarative, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. Tomorrow I will teach you one by one how to recognize. कल मैं आपको ये पढ़ाऊंगा कि आप एक एक करके कैसे पहचानोगे. How to recognize an assertive sentence, how to recognize an imperative sentence, how to recognize an interrogative sentence or exclamatory sentence or optative sentence. Okay, till then आज के लिए इतना पढ़ेंगे आप कि today what word you have learned about word, sentences, parts of sentences, subject and predicate, and then you have learned about kinds of sentences. So be ready. And tomorrow I will teach you what is assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. But till then, उससे पहले I'll give you some question and answer. To rearrange, I'll give you to rearrange. Punctuate करने के लिए दूंगा. Rearrange करने के लिए. I'll give you only question to rearrange. It will be your homework. Okay. Now let me have a conversation with you. Let us discuss some about your topic today, what we have learned today. So I'm giving you the time to ask some question. I'm giving you time to ask some question. So please. Yes. There are 5 kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, or declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and optative sentence. Right now इसमें से इन 5 सेंटेंस में से एक सेंटेंस ऐसा है जो हम बहुत इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. बाकी 4 को रिकॉग्नाइज करना थोड़ा कठिन होगा आपके लिए. सो टुमारो व्हेन आई टीच यू, जब मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा कि असर्टिव सेंटेंस क्या है, उसके डेफिनेशन में पता छुपा हुआ है, डेफिनेशन से पता चलेगा. वी विल बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज द सेंटेंस आफ्टर रीडिंग द डेफिनेशन. सो आई विल गिव यू द डेफिनेशन टुमारो, आई विल टीच यू द डेफिनेशन टुमारो. For today, if you have any doubt, now you can ask me some questions regarding your chapters. The first chapter, that is sentence. Now, do you have any question, class 5?